Hey everyone, are you tired of juggling multiple keyboards for your different computers? Well, say goodbye to desk clutter with the Portronics Bubble Multimedia Wireless Bluetooth keyboard. This amazing keyboard is exactly what I have been looking for. As a busy content creator, I often switch between my desktop, laptop, and even my tablet. The Bubble keyboard lets me connect to all three of them with just one keyboard. No more messy desktop or accidentally hitting the wrong keys. One of the things I love most about this keyboard is the unique rounded key design. It looks super sleek and stylish, definitely setting itself apart from boring old keyboards. Plus, it has tons of handy function keys that you can access with the dedicated FN key. And the best part, switching between your connected device is a breeze. This keyboard has a dedicated CPU switching option. Simply press the FN key and either number 1, 2 or 3. Number 1 controls the USB receiver connection, while number 2 and 3 handles your Bluetooth device. So easy. While the typing experience is smooth and comfortable, the unique key design might take a little while to get used to compared to standard keyboards, but trust me, it is worth the short adjustment period. The build quality is also fantastic, feeling nice and sturdy. Overall, I'm absolutely loving the Portronics Bubble keyboard. It's made switching between my computers seamless and comfortable. If you are looking for a way to declutter your desk and simplify your workflow, this keyboard is a total game changer, especially if you are a multi-computer user like me. So ditch the extra keyboards and check out the Portronics Bubble keyboard today.